welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle Lumar. If you guys are new, if you're returning, hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to see you here. Today we are going to be talking about this beautiful, gorgeous bob asymmetrical wig. This is from the company Wequeen. I have worked with Wequeen in the past and they are a spectacular, special company. I'm so grateful to be working with them again. So shout out to you Wequeen for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in seeing more about this hair and getting more information about this wig, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. This is Wequeen's website. They have so many good Christmas deals going on right now. They have so many different varieties of wigs. Long, straight, braided, bobs, curly, you name it, they have it. And they also have a lot of beautiful black women for their models. So I thought that was really, really cool. I mean, a lot of websites do, but this one, you know, they have a really good variety of women on here. I love their website. It's really straight to the point. The pricing is great and great experience. Alright y'all, so starting off, I am doing my hair, getting my hair real laid, real flat. Yes, I know this is the most ghetto way to flat my hair, but y'all, this iron is literally the truth, girl. It gets my hair so flat. If y'all have not tried an iron, I'm gonna need y'all to try it, okay? Before y'all judge. But no, this is the key to getting our hair super, super flat. So we went through with the iron, and then now I am just going through with my handy dandy straightener. Yes, this is my favorite straightener. I always use it. Obviously you guys always see me. I need to get a new straightener. If y'all have any recommendations, please let me know. But we're just going to be going through this really, really quickly. So my hair is completely done. This is the wig, and y'all, it is so beautiful. This wig is from Wequeen, and I have worked with Wequeen before in the past. This is their second wig they have sent out to me, and y'all, I absolutely love it because it's giving natural. Like, and I love the cut of this hair. This hair is so beautiful, so nice. Like, look at how, like, I usually don't like asymmetrical cuts like this, but this, it just flows differently. Like the cut, like they literally cut this hair so good. Y'all, it looks so good, and it was so easy to straighten too. And it's bob season, you know, we're heading into winter time, so yes, there's bob season in wintertime and there's bob season in summertime, okay? So bob season during wintertime is the time when you pull out them coats, okay? You know what I'm saying? And your hair is just looking so like, ugh, like just cut to perfection and just looks very punctual and just ladylike. But honestly, I love this wig so much. It really didn't even need that much customization. I figured the type of wig that this is, I didn't want to do any type of baby hairs or do any special cutting or anything of that nature. I thought simply just to have the long bang in the front because it is asymmetrical, so I wanted to just kind of let it flow and look the way how it came. Basically, I did not pluck any baby hairs or anything. This is how the part looks. Oh my god, it looks so good, you know, like I literally didn't have to do much but cut the lace off and straighten the hair. This wig is so nice. It's super affordable. Wequeens does have multiple wigs that they sell. They have a lot of variety, and this is one of their pieces, and this is really awesome. I haven't had any problems with shedding or anything like that. Obviously when I did cut the lace, you know, some of the hair came out, but that's because I cut the lace. But just running my fingers through the hair, no problems at all. None. Zero. Okay. But I honestly love this wig so much. I love the color. I love that black, and it just this is probably one of my favorite bob wigs right now currently. You know, I have my favorites throughout the year because obviously I get a lot of wigs and I work with a lot of different hair, but this right here is very professional. I would definitely advise any professional woman or anybody who is just now getting into like the hair game and you know, needing to, you know, just have a quick easy wig, but you want it to look like your natural hair. Like, I would definitely highly recommend this wig right here, because honestly when I do have my own hair out, this is how it looks when it's straightened. The flow, even the flow, like stiff wear, okay, because it ain't stiff, baby. It's flowing for days. It's flowing, super flowy. But this does replicate how my actual hair would look when I do straighten it, down to the shine, like, and everything. It's just perfect. I will make sure to leave the information for this wig down in the description box below, so you guys can get your hands on this beautiful wig. Like I said, Wequeens does have a lot of different variety of hair. I will also link the video that I did with them in the past. It was another bob, but honestly I like this one more. Don't tell them I said that. I honestly like this one more because it's more natural and I feel like this is more safe. The other one was a bit more shorter, but this one's like, you know, medium length. I love, y'all, I'm in love with this hair, honestly. Like, I got so many compliments. Like, my sister was like, "Ooh, that's a cute wig." My sister was like, "Yes, that wig is so cute." And I was like, "Thanks, girl." But honestly, y'all, this does give very much natural. Like, you cannot tell this is a wig. Like, come on. Like, and you could also, like, you know, put it behind the ear. This looks even more natural. Like, this is really cute. I love this. Y'all can't tell me y'all don't like this wig, because this wig is bomb.com, okay? I don't care what y'all say. I love this wig. This wig is top notch. This wig is giving everything. And let me give you guys a view of the way the wig looks in the back as well, and to the sides. So this is the side profile. Yes, my wig is super flat, guys. When I say I got this wig super flat, I got this wig super flat, okay? But this is what it looks like on the side. And then this is what it looks like in the back. I think they did a pretty good job cutting this hair. I don't see any issues with it. It looks really, really good. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to see more hair reviews, please subscribe so you guys can be aware whenever I do post more videos. Also hit that bell notification so that way you are aware and alert whenever I do post a new video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for Wequeens for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.